Oh man.
Sí, señor. Sí, señor.
Ben.
Sí, señor.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have enough for a star.
Take Robert's coins.
Fuck you! James has more.
So you're only getting 20 at most.
What the fuck? I'm in 4th. Why are you stealing from a guy in 4th?
So
Fuck
stay
you.
in 4th.
Because fuck you.
So you're staying for
Oh, I did take
security,
one.
motherfucker.
No, I took a lot more.
Take
No, I
15.
took enough. Oh, one more. I could have got 10 more. Harale Holmes.
So James,
What?
I saw the Key and Peele where they played the mask.
I know, I was like, my man.
I heard it and I was like, oh.
Who's gonna be first place? That's
Or
gonna
you
be
can,
me!
or you can, security.
No, don't security.
Security.
Please steal more than like 2 coins at least. Come on.
Took more.
That's alright.
That's a lot of fucking security right there, Robert. What you doing with your life?
Damn, son. 122, 128. Damn.
Dude, security code.
Still?
Damn, son.
I don't care if Joseph wins, I just want Robert to lose.
At this rate, I am going to lose.
Good.
They still predicted that you're gonna win.
Fucking trade.
Oh, I love this one.
Alright.
Get
The
up.
objective is make sure Robert doesn't get a chest.
The objective is make sure you shut the fuck up.
That is why you're losing. That right there is
Shut
why
up.
you're losing.
You're gonna fail this objective firsthand.
Where are you at, though?
No! Yes, no! Oh, fucking Peach, seriously?
See? Ah!
Good. No, yes. No! I'm gonna die. Oh shit.
I got you. I got you, G.
I'm sure you think you do.
You think you got me? Ain't nobody got me.
Oh, there was still one left. Fuck yeah.
Oh, I thought I took that one.
Oh fuck.
Oh, hey.
I haven't gotten any coin!
That's what you get for talking about your objective, bullcrap.
And then do it, Mom.
I got both of the big chests. Suck it.
No.
Nah.
11.
10.
Don't worry, we'll take it back.
Go, yeah. Everyone fuck Robert over.
That 11's gonna be like 1 right now. Thank you. That's so nice.
Did you say everyone fuck Robert?
Put your fucking never mind.
Keep it in my pants.
Yes.
But the anaconda wants to be released.
Go find them first.
Oh, you talk about your dick.
Listen, Joseph. I have an anaconda, okay? What do you have? A fucking garden snake?
No, what you have is a little small cow.
Shit.
Cow
Fucking
fucker.
disgusting.
Oh,
Dale, cabrón!
There's no way I can do it now. Shit.
Ayo.
Unless I get a warp.
I can get second place! That's my first time!
Oh! I love this one.
Fuck!
Robert,
What?
I want action.
Oh boy.
Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Oh,
Hey.
shit!
Yeah!
Not
B!
me first.
A! B! B!
Oh, I knew it!
Hey!
Oh, for a second I thought he was gonna cut me off because I was the last one to get it, and that was bullshit.
Hey!
I put mine all the way up.
A! A!
Oh!
B!
He's fucking.
A!
Hey!
B!
Hey!
B!
Hey!
B!
You're such a bitch. You deserve to die.
I will, Joseph, just for fuck!
For fuck. Who is it? Give me a name.
Eric.
Why the fuck are you not texting bitches? Oh,
Do
I
you-
forgot.
Gargarian?
You didn't get the
Yeah.
plastic surgery yet.
99!
He's fucking getting too much. If he hits triple digits, we failed our mission.
Good. Last turn, no.
No, if he gets a star, we failed our mission.
It's decent. Dude, he has to have the least amount of coins.
Bless you.
Fuck you.
You're not gonna make it back to Boo.
Whatever. I assume this was the right choice.
It's better than Bowser.
I don't think it matters if you do that, does it?
No. No. Or you can see the map and waste your coins.
Cause where's Yoshi? Right
It's
now?
the last
Up,
turn,
up,
man.
up.
Yoshi's up there. Is it really the last turn?
It's the last turn.
No.
Nothing is gonna change how I do
Just
this.
fucking
Oh, it's the last
save your
turn.
coins.
It's the last turn.
Yeah, bitch. Hey, for once, he's the one who's not gonna be in the picture. He's fucking gonna die.
Nah, there's no way.
I'd laugh so hard if you landed on Bowser on the last turn.
I could go for like fucking, you know, Star Steel or whatever.
Dude, it never.
I know, but you know, it's the best case scenario whenever you land
He
on
would
Bowser.
leave. He never steals it. though.
Exactly, the best case scenario. Oh no, I could hope for a hidden block. There was no hidden block on this board.
You're supposed to hit the question mark soon.
I know.
Oh, rainbow. Double rainbow all the way.
What could this mean?
I'm gonna take a chance. Yes.
You fucked up.
Oh shit, that's not where it was.
You fucked up.
You did. Oh!
Oh, are you gonna pull a clutch like me?
Oh, no!
This is how it is.
It'll
Triple
never be a
digits,
clutch.
baby.
It'll
pulled a
never be
clutch.
Never.
Did you see my clutch though?
All you do is clutch.
All I do is
every
clutch.
day.
Triple digits.
Don't worry. I'll make sure it doesn't exist.
You good?
I'm fine.
All right, Ronald, get a one.
Gap shirt.
I swear to God, I'm gonna cry if I get a one.
Oh, my boy, my boy!
Yes!
My boy! Don't get a star though. I'm second place.
Look at me. I am second place now.
Fucking shit.
Wow.
Fucking.
Reset! I'm just kidding.
Yeah, look it out.
If you reset, that means we gotta do this entire board
I
over again.
refuse.
Which this way I wouldn't mind,
I
considering how
refuse.
things went for me.
Oh, this is like.
That's Cocos.
Oh, gross.
Stupid. Oh, gross.
All right, where's the star that no one's gonna get down there?
Oh, look, smelled like anus.
I'm sorry.
If I knew what anus smelled like.
You mean those anus pound burgers from McDonald's?
Anus.
Try the new anus pounder. I mean, Angus quarter pounder.
What, everyone against
Oh,
Ronald in a
versus the
coin?
mini
Oh,
game.
Roll over!
there were two coin collecting ones.
You know who you gotta put. You know what you gotta do.
You gotta fucking destroy Robert.
If I can fucking get the turns right.
Get him under the fucking
Dude, the shit
3
speeds up.
digits.
Don't lean it forward. It goes faster if you do that.
I'm gonna stick by you guys then. If
Fuck, it's okay.
Oh,
For
I
the
can
team.
bounce around.
For the team. I'll take one for
Shit.
the team.
Shit! 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 I don't want to be here.
I don't want to
Fuck.
wait.
Yeah,
Oh,
take
I
one for
love
the
to
team. Why
be
is the other one
over.
fucking standing there? Fucking dick.
that only gets me -5. Just letting you know, I still have triple digits.
I don't.
I didn't take your coins, babe.
Yeah, good job. Okay, shut the fuck up.
Fuck this. Look at my.
Ah! Ah!
All right.
Game star. Yoshi!
That's
Watch Yoshi fucking win.
There's no way I could. I don't have coin or happening. You guys.
Dude, I'm.
James has coin star.
You've got this thing hacked every day.
hacked.
That's 2.
That's
still have 2.
that's 2, and happening. Joseph Joseph got that. Joseph won.
Joseph won.
Thanks, Ashley.
You know what the funny thing is? I still beat Ronald.
Fuck you. In your dreams,
4
you got
stars,
1
bitch.
star. I got 2
4
stars.
Oh, that's right. Did you have 2 stars?
Yeah,
Oh yeah. Wait, what? Oh shit.
I
That's
just
right.
caught it.
Oh fuck.
I fucking win.
Collectively, I got fucked over.
Collectively, yes.
Wow.
Yay.
Join us next time for. Nah, never mind.
Listen, we're not done here. We gotta see what the fuck the star does to this board.
Yeah, what does it do?
Oh, them graphics!
Look, we're on Titanic.
I guess it powers your mom's dildo.
Damn.
Look at Mario.
She
Such a
walks in
pimp.
when you say that.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, that anti-aliasing.
Oh jeez.
Oh, look at that bloom effect. Oh, is that light
You're getting
shafts?
pushed around just like
This
we pushed
air.
you around.
Yeah, fuck you.
Oh, look at the detail in the
Look
sky.
at me. It's like Titanic all over.
That's what I said. Except Jack Dawson dies.
Oh, I'm second place. Look at me.
I should have 4
I'm
stars.
still second place.
Look at me. I was close. Sort of.
The fuck kind of face is
Detail
that?
results. How many points at the end of the game? Mini games. I had that by a lot. Yippee. Largest coins ever held.
87.
I made a valiant effort to get third by a loss. Spaces. Oh, why'd you get a bunch of red spaces?
Fucking Peach.
Oh, you got 2 happenings. Yeah, that's right.
I got 1.
Yeah, that's chance time twice. Nah. Okay. All the monies go into the pot.
Wait,
I got this.
my
I got this.
casino
You ready? You ready? Boosh!
Why did he do it? Why the fuck did...
I said you already.
No. Look at those fat rolls. Oh, that's Luigi's engine room. I don't think he even said what the board was called.
Luigi's Engine.
There we go.
Luigi's sex dungeon.
Actually, it kind of is a dungeon.
Might have been.
You never know.
It was.
Alright, so that was Luigi's sex dungeon.
Alright, join us next time for Call of Duty.
The whole-
Fuck you guys.
Actually, next time it's Bowser's.
Nope.
Whatever.
Okay,
If you
off
guys
the computer.
actually do the thing. If you
so
guys...
we can put in the motherboard.
Oh, that's right. We're gonna change my motherboard.
That wasn't me, relax.
Whatever. But the porn you watch is your business.